Cameron.
What's the day today? 15?
Yes. Oh, big yawns. Oh, what are you doing? Hey, stinker. Oh, goodness. I'm going to get you, little froggy. Hi, Cameron. Cameron, you got to smile for Grandma. Give us a smile. Where's your smile?
Nice. You have a smile for Mommy. Yeah, you do.
Hi. Hey, little man. Hi, buddy. Yeah, you're just so cute.